Hello, this segment's going to show us really how Live Earth provides advanced insights for logistics and operations management by combining 8 different data sources into a common operational view. By tracking and analyzing cargo ships, drones, delivery vehicles, and workers on site, senior management and the operators can really optimize the daily construction activity and overall efficiencies of the operation. One of the ways that we do this is to start by tracking ships coming into the area. So starting by locating and tracking the ships carrying cargo needed for the week's activities, Live Earth locates and alerts us to the arrival time of cargo ships prior to docking. When we see the alert go off here in Live Earth, it generates both a message sending to the logistics team, and we can then verify the cargo ship, the contents of the ship, and prepare for the offloading activities. These alerts are sent to managers at arrival time, and we can then verify the operations in the area prior to offloading and delivering the valuable cargo. One of the ways we do this as we pan out is we can see the drones that we have flying above different segments of the site. These drones are tracking both construction at the actual site, and we can see how the construction progresses over time. And we're also tracking the drones that are looking at the building of the power grid through the wind field in the area. So as we move the timeline, we can see the progression of these drones and the sites moving and the construction progress. This is valuable as the senior managers are planning the overall logistics of the build, and it helps them coordinate what cargo they offload and where they offload it. Now, as we close this, we can start seeing that we have trucks that have appeared on the screen, one at the site that will be leaving and one that's being loaded with cargo. We can search on this by looking up in the upper left-hand corner where we've searched on frame sections, where we're now going to track the delivery of these valuable pieces to the construction site. We can see traffic in the area. We still have our drones in the air, but now that the trucks are arriving, it gives the senior management and the operators on site and managers on site the ability to really plan the project and validate both the cargo arriving and the overall logistics and planning for the day. Now, as we zoom in even further, we can see they've called up the operators, and the operators are now showing up on site. Our system is capable of tracking each of the operators as they badge into the area. We're then monitoring days without accidents, but we're also tracking the operators and very specifically what they're doing. So we can look at construction phases and the completion of each construction phase, giving management the ability to really manage the overall process more effectively. And then as we zoom in further, we can see the day progressing, the different operators moving around, and the overall tracking and capabilities of the construction location. This provides the head of construction and the overall management team really the ability to see the entire operating picture from one data set and one operating platform. Thank you.